In this lesson, we will learn how we can generate tables with the Google Gemini. We can create a table with any number of rows or columns. We can also add data in it from the internet. With that, ordering that table is also possible with Google Gemini. Let's see. Here is our Gemini. Click New Chat. Now to create a prompt, type, let's say, create a table with 3 columns and 10 rows. Okay, so we have also mentioned the name of the columns. I'll click submit. So it has created it with some random text. Okay, so you can also export it to sheets or get the code for it. Here is the code for it. Okay, using Python pandas library. Okay, and you can click show drafts and different type of drafts are visible. With that, you can export it directly to Docs or Google Colab. Okay, as well as a draft in a Gmail, or you can share it. You can also copy it from here. Okay, now let me connect it to the internet. Make a table of the top 5 cricketers in the world in the ODI format. So it will take the data from the internet. Let's see. Submit. So here it is showing the current data. Okay, you can also read this and also export it to sheets. Now it is showing rank, player and country. Now what I'll do, I'll add a new prompt, make a table of the top 5 cricketers in the world in the ODI format. Okay, include ranking and the points field. Okay, ranking and the points field also. Display the fields in the order of player, team, rank, points. Okay, now after clicking submit, player name will be here, then the team name, then the rank and then the points. Submit. Here it is, player, team, rank, points, and it is showing the current results, showing that the free version of Gemini is also connected to the internet. You can export it to sheets directly, export to doc, share it, modify it, or you can copy it. I'll change it, rename, generate tables. Click rename. So guys, we saw how we can generate tables with Google Gemini. We can also create tables using the current data from the internet. Thank you for watching the video.